Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by closing Excel and related processes in Task Manager for 30 seconds. Then check the file size and location. Large files over 50 MB can hang. Try opening Excel in safe mode by holding Control while launching the app. If Excel opens in safe mode, disable add-ins from File, Options, Add-ins, Manage. Note installed updates and run Windows Update. Pending updates can block startups. Finally, save any error messages or codes to search later for precise solutions. This diagnostic step usually takes 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Repair Office quickly by going to Settings, Apps, Microsoft Office, Modify, then Quick Repair. If Quick Repair fails, choose Online Repair, which reinstalls core files and can take 10 minutes. Reset Excel file associations in Settings when double-clicking still does not open spreadsheets. Delete or rename the Excel Start folder to rule out startup templates or macros. Clear the Office cache by deleting files in %local app data, %Microsoft /Office /16. 0 /Office file cache manual. Uninstall Office from Settings when repairs fail, and backup custom templates first. Use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant tool to diagnose activation or configuration problems. Cleanly remove leftover registry keys only if you are comfortable editing the registry safely. When reinstalling, choose the correct Office version and keep your license or 25% discount code handy. Recover unsaved work by checking Auto Recover files in %appdata %Microsoft /Excel and temporary folders. If Excel still will not open, contact support with error codes, screenshots, and step logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.